it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today is our first day of sneak peeks for our June release. So June is my birthday month, so I'll have to do something special for you guys in June. I wanted to share the first set of products that are in the box of the month. We have beautiful summer products for June. The papers you see here and the ephemera will be listed individually for sale, so you can pick those up on the website if you're not on our subscription. So I'm going to start with Tropical Hippos. This paper pad is super cute. All right, we start off with a very cute coconut drink. Nice pattern. We've got popsicles, little florals in the background. Very cute. And these hippos are just darling. Look at those cute little hippos. So the hippos got a popsicle and the drink. Nice summery flowers. Very tropical. Super fun. So I'm going to share the ephemera. We do have a basics paper pad to go with this. So if you want to pick this up, this one's on the website. The colors match perfectly. You can kind of mix these in together if you want to break up some of those patterns. This one is called the Tropical Basics. So this one is not in the box of the month. It's sold individually. It'll be listed on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So really pretty. Really soft and pretty. A little stripe there, a glitter, little splatter, little watercolor ombre. You could use that for a sunset or like a beach scene. This could be the water in the sunset, like that. Some coordinating glitters. Very light yellow background. There's pineapples on there. A nice watercolor stripe. This one would make a great underwater background. It's got little bubbles. Another glitter. A soft yellow and a green. Really nice paper pad. So let's get to sharing the cute ephemera, and then I'll show you the stamp set. I'll do a little bit of coloring. We'll color in the stamp set. Let's lay all this out. All right, so let's lay this all out. So we got this little hut. That's the little hippo. You can slide your little hippo in there. How cute is that? And a little flower to the side. So we got cute. Take a closer look at the stamp set. This is called Aloha. We've got beautiful tropical images, and those toucans are super cute. We've got sentiments: toucan do it, take it easy, oh hey vacay, hello, live, love, aloha, hi from both of us. And I have it ready to go. I'm going to do some coloring for you. I'll play some music, sit back and enjoy. Teresa will be on the channel tomorrow sharing the next peek at 1 o'clock Central Time. I just Googled a toucan so I could kind of see what colors to color these little guys. I'm going to color like the hibiscus, like maybe orange and pink. Let's do the leaves in green. I'll do like different shades. Okay, so here's the coloring. Really, really cute. If you ever are stuck on what colors to use when you're coloring, take inspiration from the paper pad. That's what I do. I don't have to really think about it. I just grab the colors. I know they look good on the paper pad, so they're going to look good on your image as well. So I'm going to cut these out and then we will put a card together. You can purchase the coordinating die on the website on the 1st. The die does cut out all the images and the sentiments. So I've put one of the cards together. So this is how it turned out. I actually, I think I was going to put this one on here and then use the striped on the one I was going to put the other one that I was going to do, but either way it works out. So we have our Live, Love, Aloha, really cute card, and we're going to do another similar one in just a different pattern. So I have this down. I'm going to add this as my little strip here. So I won't be able to go live on the 1st. I usually go live at 10 a.m. Central Time. So I'll have a video up at 9 a.m. Announcing the release day and showing all the products together and all of that. We are doing our annual garage sale on the 1st. So actually on the 31st and the 1st, but I figured I'm going to be busy because the garage sale opens up at, I think, probably like 8 o'clock. So I'll have everything listed on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So you'll be able to shop and all that. So I just won't be able to go live. And Mom is coming over to help with the garage sale. So maybe she'll do some crafting over the weekend. I'm going to use a rose gold peel-off sticker for this one. Kind of matches that peach color. And actually I don't have to use the whole thing because we have a scallop that's going to be in the center. So I could actually snip off some. And for the oval, I used that ombre background paper that kind of looks like a sunset in the center. And then we've got our super cute toucans. I want to put those on the bottom. Or do I want to put them in the middle? I think in the middle, and then have this like that. Super, super cute. And then I just cut around my sentiment with my scissors. I'm not really good at that. That's why I like using the die. And then let's just add a few enamel dots. There we go. Now we have two really cute tropical cards. So which one is your favorite? The one with the toucans or the Live, Love, Aloha? I will see you on the 31st. Teresa will be on the channel tomorrow sharing your next sneak peek. So don't forget to pop on over at 1 p.m. Central Time. I'll see you on the 31st before the big reveal on the 1st. So thanks so much, guys, for stopping in. I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.